got AC with a cooler system. When you come up in the club, it's blazing up. Gonna stack your neck, you're saving up. Inhaling, you're real, you might get a deal. If I'm fun as any girl, let's go. You're not gonna break my soul. This is the part of me that you're never gonna ever take away from me. No, I just wanna throw my phone away. Find out who is really.
Hi guys, this is Christine Tal, and we are now here having our Sea Dragon competition voting here on the lagoon of Mambucal. If I still have tomorrow, because I think I'm gonna die now. Can we go back to the corner where I first saw you? Now I'm having a hard time because it's so freaking hot. You know, I'm a Caesar. I have red blushy face after this. Pretty is simply Christine Tal. Kenji, what did you say? That she said that she's pretty.
I
hate you.
Friendship
over.
Since we're friends, okay. I agree with her statement.
Can you tell her that she's pretty?
Tell you're pretty and it's against my will.
You're so mean, Kenji.
No, it's not mean. It's true. It's not being mean. It's just being truthful.
It's not being mean. It's showing what you got.
Like nobody else, the way that you flip your hair gets me overwhelmed. But when you smile at the ground, it ain't hard to tell. You don't know you're beautiful. Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. The way that you flip your hair gets me overwhelmed. But when you smile at the ground, it ain't hard to tell. You don't know, you don't know you're beautiful. Right now I'm looking at you and I can't believe you the same without you. Without you. I won't run, I won't fly, I will never make it by without you. Without you. I can't rest, I can't fight. All I need is you and I. Without you. Without
Money, money, money. We don't need your money, money, money. We just wanna make the world dance. Forget about the bright day. Ain't about the cha-ching, cha-ching. Ain't about the bubbling, bubbling. Wanna make the world dance. Forget about the bright day.
'Cause it's 12:51 and I thought my feelings were gone, but I'm lying on my bed thinking of you again, and the moon shines so bright, but I gotta
Hi,
try
Dad!
these.
Happy 18th birthday! Kabalo ka gid nga Arla ko for me kung kinanglan mo ko, and you will always be the tell nga manang ko, manang taka. Oo, kabalo ka na. Oo na. I hope ma-enjoy mo gid mo birthday, and Arla kami for me ni Lawrence, ni Jovelyn, ni Seiko, ni Neil, ni Kanji, kag ni Teray, mag-help si mo, kung gusto mo may storyan Arla kami day, and nang we hope nga ma-reach mo gid mo nga dreams, kag ang desire sa imong heart makuha mo gid, and nang always keep your feet off the ground, nang muna just do what you do best, kag believe in yourself, nang muna kung anong ginahando mo kabalo kung ma-reach mo gid na, and ang love ya lang na for me maabot lang na sa right time with the right person, the right moment, kag amo na nang keep your faith. Life may be hard, but it is great. Happy birthday! Love you!
Moving on and I'm not that strong to hold.
Thanks to you, I got a new thing started. Thanks to you, I'm not so broken hearted. Thanks to you, I'm finally thinking about me. You know, in the end, the day you left was just my beginning. In the end,
What doesn't kill you?
Hi Dad, happy birthday. I wish you the best in life, and thank you get the friendship niya sa musakon, and I hope to know you better this year.
stand a little taller. Doesn't mean I'm lonely when I'm alone. What doesn't kill you makes a fighter. What doesn't
Happy birthday, Tel! Wish you good health and long life. Stay pretty as you are and stay happy, man. Happy birthday again.
mean
So, I met you, and this is crazy.
Happy birthday! Love you!
'cause you're gone. What doesn't kill you makes you.
And in this crazy life, and through these crazy times, you make me sing your every line, your every word, your every. Hi there.
Wishing you more birthdays to come and more trips pa punta Mitani. And may God bless you always in all of your endeavors, and may you become mature enough to face the world and have a firm ground in your decisions in life. Thank you. Happy birthday!
Si Tel, princess na kabarkada, kaya siya na mahilig sa pink. Ay, duwa na sa ni Seiko, tapos kada-kada na naman sila balay, masip over kami na.
the tears, baby, know I'm here waiting. Close your precious eyes and just realize I'm still fighting for you to be with me and sit under the tree and we can watch the sunrise.
Giselle, siya na ang
We
babae
can
ng
watch the
Efratan.
sunrise.
Kag siya manawang prinsesa, kag siya na ang kahit sa babae ng nagwag-wag, like lang straightforward, nakatawag lang, go, go, go,
That
go.
I'm feeling I won't go another day without you. Hold on, I promise it gets brighter, and when it rains, I'll hold you even tighter. I won't go another day without you, without you.
Hi, Tel! Happy 18th birthday. I love you so much. Stay cool, fresh, and young. Be yourself. I love you. Mwah.
And I won't go.
I first met Tel mga
I
first
don't want to
year
be
sa
someone who walks away
first
so
year college,
easily. I'm here to
first
stay
sem.
and make the difference that I
But we were
can
not that
make.
close pa before. We became close friends
Our
sa
differences, they
second
do a
sem
lot to
of
teach
first
us how to
year.
use
Tel
tools
is
and gifts we got
undeniably
here.
the
We
goddess
got
of
a lot
pink.
at stake.
Tanan ginaya nga bagay nga
And in the end,
iya is usually colored pink, from bags to ball pens. It is colored pink. Hindi na budlay mangita gift para siya, or if you want to give her something, hindi na budlay mangita since nga basta color pink, kita ka lang sa color pink. She loves everything, anything pink. Puwera na lang sa ice cream, strawberry. Well, Tel is my twin soul, twin asthma, mga twin. She is my best friend, my partner in crime. I think she's just a sister I've never had. Hi, Tel, ng Twin Soul. Char! Na, hindi ka na sumukambal sa manang kay parehas na sa edad. 18 ka naman. Stay pretty, always smile, and whatever happens, kung ano magiging matabo, sa future, ay lang kami di always. Amor na, happy birthday!
Keep me close and don't let go. Inch by inch we're moving closer. Feels like a fairy tale ending. Take my heart, this is the moment.
Hi, Tel. Happy birthday. Happy 18th birthday. Hindi dalaga na siya. Thankful ko mga naging friends ta sa first year kag diskan subong hindi ta classmates ubot gyapon CSG kag friends gyapon. I'm just wishing you good health, long life kag kabalo ka naman nga ikaw gid ang masunod ka councilor o mayor sa mga Castilian. So keep up the good work sa imong studies ka God bless always. Happy birthday.
Closer to